what I got from African shop. Corn. I got a roll of corn and pear. I showed you guys this thing yesterday, and today I have it again. So a lot of pear. I was so surprised to see this pear in shop today. You guys know how much I love this. Close up. Can you see this? I got so much pear. So pear and half ripe plantain. We're gonna be barbecuing all of them. And I got fish. This one is sea bass. Sea bass fish. I think I need to clean the fish first. I'll put this one under.
Look at these two things.
Some of you said it's so dirty to clean fish inside. And today we are cleaning the fish outside. For the people that feels like fish is too dirty to clean inside. I feel like this is the worst place to clean the fish because then Chemika is gonna be, I won't be able to wash it myself. Then Chemika is gonna be picking everything he sees. So I'm definitely gonna be cleaning it inside. It's easier for me to see everything and cleaning with soap and stuff. This is how best I know to do this. Because once I'm done here, it's very easy for me to wash everything and nobody will smell or touch the fish. But me doing it outside in the grass, Chemika is going to be picking everything, the scale, and it's going to take a long time. Oof. The stomach has just gone down instantly. Okay. This is how I bring out the fish cuts easily from the head like this. Pull it and everything is out. Super easy, right? If I was doing this outside, I'll still be struggling by now, not knowing where to actually put it. Okay, so you know why I don't clean this fish where I buy it? Because they take some time. By the time they put me in queue, I will just stay in queue for some time. Then when it gets my turn, it's about 15 minutes of waiting. Like waiting for what? Waiting for somebody to clean fish for me when I can do it under 5 minutes at home myself. So I didn't have that time to wait. I just decided to do it myself. Because that place is really busy place. Okay. This is exactly what I've been waiting for somebody to do for me in the market for over 15 minutes, and I've done it under 5 minutes. You see? That is why I don't let people clean fish for me. They take a lot of time. Because I'm not the only one they're serving. They have to attend to people before me, and I honestly don't have that patience to wait for them in the market. Doing it for myself is way better. Okay. Let's go. How got our fish? This is sea bass. Now come outside. So this is how easy it is for me to clean after the fish with my soap and water, because soap is so handy in here. And the fish guts, I'm gonna double bag and put in the bin. One. In the bin, where I cut the fish, surface cleaner. And after cleaning, your kitchen is gonna be even cleaner than before you do the fish stuff, your fish business. So this surface cleanser will eliminate all the fish odor or anything you feel like you may perceive in your house. And that is me done with my fish business. Okay guys,